Welcome to JD Photodata, where service excellence is our priority. Discover how we can support your business with precision and reliability. Since our inception over 30 years ago in Hitchin, UK, service has been our cornerstone. We've evolved from traditional imaging to advanced photomasks and optical components. Our rich history showcases our growth and innovation. From our beginnings in 1970 to achieving ISO certifications, each milestone reflects our dedication to quality and service excellence. Our core services are backed by an easy ordering system, worldwide destinations, and university discounts. Our expertise spans high-precision photomasks, custom optical test charts, and micro-patterned optics. We deliver rapid, tailored solutions to meet your exact specifications. Quality is at the heart of everything we do. Our ISO-certified processes ensure precision and reliability, delivering excellence in every product. Our photomasks offer precision in various formats and resolutions. We provide flexibility and allow you to control your budget. We have a range of photomask options from glass to film, with custom sizes and coatings. Our vision calibration charts are engineered for precision. Fully customizable, they meet the highest industry standards, providing accurate patterns for imaging systems. Choose from standard or bespoke charts with varied substrates and coatings. Our machine calibration plates offer accuracy with customizable patterns. NIST traceable, they ensure reliability for your most demanding applications. From standard to bespoke charts, with a variety of substrates and coatings, we provide solutions that meet your specific needs with precision. Our laser plotting services deliver high-resolution images, essential for efficiency and productivity, to ensure your manufacturing processes are seamless. With a range of sizes and resolutions, automated processing, and same-day shipping, we ensure that your projects are completed with precision and quality. Our optical components are crafted for high resolution and accuracy. From single pieces to production quantities, we ensure exceptional performance in every application. We go the extra mile, ensuring fast response times and technical support that exceeds expectations. Our clients consistently express satisfaction and trust in our capabilities. Our survey results reflect our dedication to customer satisfaction. We serve global markets in multiple currencies and with fast shipments, supporting your business wherever you are. Contact JD Photodata for unparalleled service and quality. Visit our website to learn more.